students. I hope you enjoyed your vacation very well at your home. So you already completed your worksheet, I hope. And I also have, if you have any doubt related to worksheet, so I am here to explain you some questions here. So I gave you the previously some worksheet. So the questions are mentioned from there, which are related to mensurations, algebraic expression, identities, and linear equation in one variable. And this is the another worksheet I will give you in your group. So you have to solve all the worksheet when you come to school again. So please, if you have any doubts, so there are lots of questions in the worksheet like true, false. If square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. So you have to solve this. So this is the whole worksheet, which have the 3 or 4 pages, and the all questions are divided into section A, B, C, and D. So you have to solve all the questions, and if you have doubt, I am here to explain you some questions. And here are 3 marks questions also. A rectangular paper of width 14 cm rolled along its width with a cylinder of radius 20 cm is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. So you know how the cylinder is look alike like this, and you know the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So you have to put this formula and all the values in this formula, and you will get your answer. Okay. So likewise you have to solve all the question which is related to your respective chapters. Just put the formula and put the values in the formula and solve this. Okay. And now beside this, we have some CCC exams. Beside this, we have some co-curricular activities also, which you can already know about this. And there are some points you have to follow. This, if you want to get 100 marks, so you have to follow these points. And the points are mentioned here, like parents' participation, behavior at your home, behavior in classroom. I also